Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Javi Cordova Decano. I'm 24 years old and a single living in Gomez, Benito, Sullivan, Isabela. I have two brothers and one sister. I am third child of the family. I am a college graduate and I took Bachelor of Secondary Education major in mathematics.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I don't have experience yet working abroad, but here in Philippines, I work as a nanny and a tutor for 2 years. I work for Mom Ada and her family. There are 6 persons in their house. Mom Ada, her husband, her mother, and her 3 children, age 6, 4, and a newborn baby. I took care of the newborn baby, and sometimes I do cleaning, cooking, ironing, and washing. I also tutor the older children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure their safety, and when they are sick, I always check their temperature and call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
None, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
None, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
None, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad because I wanted to help my family financially, and also as a single, I wanted to be financially stable.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take over your responsibilities at home?
My mother and my sisters.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will continue my work and remind myself that I'm doing this for them.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. after my work is done and woke up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will always be patient and calmer while dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir, of course.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir, but practically I wanted to have my own room for my privacy.
Okay. Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and extended it when needed.
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Aram sam sam, guli 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 ram sam.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Mom, sir. I hope you will choose me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I promise to serve your family with all my heart. Thank you.